A few months ago, this was just a patch of open ground at Nairobi's Jamhuri grounds. It was dusty, quiet, and mostly forgotten. But today, it's the heartbeat of a bold vision. A dream to build one of Africa's largest and most modern stadiums right here in Kenya. And this is none other than Talanta Stadium, a project not just about concrete and steel, but about hope, talent, and national pride. A place where young Kenyan footballers will chase their dreams, and also a venue being built for AFCON 2027, for CHAN, and for the future of our sports industry. Are you ready for the latest updates? Today I'll be taking you behind the scenes to show you just how far we've come, who is building the stadium, its cost, and when you can expect to see it fully complete. Now, before I proceed, allow me to give you a brief overview of Talanta. So, Talanta Stadium is a 60,000-seater ultra-modern stadium located in Jamhuri grounds here in Nairobi, Kenya. It is part of government's ambitious plan to transform Kenya into a continental sports hub, and it is being built with world-class standards in mind. We are talking about VIP sections, fully equipped media zones, training facilities, floodlights, changing rooms, and proper running tracks and much more. This stadium isn't just meant for local league matches. It's being prepared to host major international events. The total cost of this mega project is estimated to be around 44.7 billion Kenya shillings, and it is fully funded by the government of Kenya under the Ministry of Sports. The main contractor on the ground is the China Jiangxi International, a well-known construction company responsible for several top-tier infrastructure projects in this country. And honestly, their work is nothing short of impressive. The construction officially kicked off in late 2023, and since then, the progress has been consistent. If you've been following this site, you'll know how fast things are changing. Now here is where it gets real. As of April 2025, the stadium ball is already taking shape. The terrains are going up, the layout is clear, and workers are moving very fast. By the way, this project has really created so many job opportunities. The big question is, when will this stadium be done? The expected completion date is December 2025, meaning by the end of this year, we could be looking at one of Africa's top stadiums ready for big action. And yes, this stadium is part of Kenya's preparation to co-host AFCON 2027 with Tanzania and Uganda, of course. But even before that, it's lined up to co-host local league games, regional tournaments, and potentially the CHAN tournament as well. Talanta Stadium is more than just a structure. It is a symbol of belief in Kenyan talent. It will offer young athletes a proper stage to perform, bring jobs to hundreds of local workers, boost tourism, and place Nairobi on a continental sports map. I'll definitely be back here with more updates as the construction continues. But for now, I just wanted you to see what's really happening here on the ground. Kenya is rising, and Talanta Stadium is a bold statement to the world. Let me know what you think about this project in the comment section below. By the way, do you think this stadium will be ready in time? And are you ready for AFCON 2027? Let me know at the comment section below. If you're here for the very first time and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more infrastructure, travel, and investment opportunities here in Kenya. This is Dolphine, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye-bye.